If you or someone you love was hit by a truck, this isn't just a car accident. You're now up against a commercial machine. The moment that the crash happened, the trucking company and their insurance lawyers started building a defense. Their goal? Protect their money, not you. I'm attorney Sławek Plata, and I know how to take those defenses apart. I've been recognized among the top 100 high-stakes litigators in America because I handle the biggest and the toughest cases. My firm brings more than 150 years of combined legal experience fighting for injured people across New York. Truck companies have teams. We build stronger ones. When trucking corporations see my name on a case, they know the game just changed. These cases involve federal safety rules, driver logs, maintenance records, and sometimes multiple companies sharing responsibility. This is not a normal car crash. If your lawyer doesn't understand trucking law, you can lose before the case even starts. And here is the truth most people don't know. Evidence disappears fast. Driver logs get overwritten. Maintenance records can vanish. Companies move quickly to protect themselves. That's why what you do next matters. Get medical care. Some serious injuries show up days later. Call 911. That police report becomes critical evidence, and don't talk to their insurance adjusters. Call me first. We don't settle for small. We fight for full justice. Our firm has recovered hundreds of millions of dollars for injured clients because we have the resources to outwork and outfight the biggest corporations in the country. After a truck crash, people worry about the same things: medical bills, lost income, taking care of their family. You already have enough stress. Let us carry the legal fight for you. Call me today. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your consultation is 100% free. And you don't pay us a single dollar unless we win. You focus on healing. We will take on the trucking company. Call Plata